What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in the last video you guys saw me get the motor, you saw me bring it home. That same night I didn't record, but I put the motor in. I was just so excited to get it. But I put it in. Let me show you guys how it sits in the car. Alright guys, so today we're gonna put the front tube on, the radiator, intercooler, mock everything up, and I'm gonna paint the brake booster, hook that up, and put in the clutch cylinder, master cylinder in, and we'll see how far we get from there, and probably do some more stuff. So it's gonna be a busy day today. Alright, let's get to it.
Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is how it's gonna be. I gotta go buy some aluminum. I'm gonna make a hole. I'm gonna get like a little strip, make a hole, and then bolt it in here. Same thing with this side. I might bend this one up a little bit more because this side is bent up a little bit. Just make it even. And I'm pretty sure that the oil cooler will go here. I just don't know if the wires are safe from being hot. They should be because they're steel, metal, whatever they call it, steel hose. And then this, I might try to put over here, but I might have to shorten this hose. So I still gotta figure that out. So now I'm gonna put the wire loom around the whole car so I can fit the fenders on and test fit those and see how those look.
You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. Cause I won't ever want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
I just forgot that I need you guys to see. You see on the bumper how it has a hole right there? There could be 2 holes. That's supposed to connect to that. And I remember now for my last bumper, I cut that off so it could fit. So gotta cut it a lot off. I think I cut a lot off because that's what I did on my last one for my other RB20. So let me do that. Alright, so the fenders and the bumpers gonna be a lot of work, so I'm gonna do that for another day. I'll probably gonna hook up the brake booster, the clutch master cylinder, and then I'll probably start wiring up the car and see if I get it to crank, or see we can wire mostly everything to get it close to cranking. So I'm gonna do that, go that route, and then the fenders and bumpers will be for another video. So let me go see if this stuff is dry and hook it up. You can't see that. I won't have to backlighting. Looks brand new. Oh yeah, it's done drying. So let me hook this stuff back up in the car and see what else we could do today.
Changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I 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 day I.
Alright guys, I hooked up the brake booster, the master clutch cylinder, and I hooked up the power block. That's like the battery relocation kit that I put on the car. That's basically like the battery inside the engine bay, so it's that small, and that's like all the power source. So I hooked that up, and we're almost not almost there to starting it, but we're a lot closer than what we were. Still gotta do like a lot of wiring to do, and yeah. So hopefully next video you guys can see the startup, so don't miss out. So catch you guys later.